Raw material preparation. Every Corrosion fastener begins with carbon steel wire. The wire is acid cleaned to remove surface rust and dirt, then straightened so it enters the line clean. Wire drawing. The wire is drawn down to the precise diameter each screw size demands. This sets the dimensional accuracy that every following step depends on. Heading. The screw head is formed by cold forging under high pressure. Because no heat is applied, the steel's grain structure stays intact at this stage. Pinch pointing. The drilling point is shaped in a precision pointing mold. A pinching process forms the exact geometry of the self-drilling point, so the screw drills cleanly and efficiently. Thread rolling. Threads are rolled rather than cut. Rolling forms the thread and work hardens the steel, and this is where pull-out strength comes from. Heat treatment. Controlled heat treatment builds micro-hardness into the case and core of the screw, delivering the strength required to drill and to hold under load. In line with Australian standard 3566.1 surface treatment, Corrosion develops its proprietary coating system that comes with an electroplated zinc base layer that provides sacrificial corrosion protection to the fasteners, combined with organic top coat applied via a dip-spin-cure process. Depending on the coating series, the top coat incorporates ceramic-based or aluminum alloy to enhance resistance against salinity, moisture, ultraviolet exposure, and atmospheric pollutants. This coating methodology is applied across all the Corrosion coating series for each corrosivity category, with increasing performance levels defined by minimum test requirements according to Australian standard 3566.2. Quality inspection. Nothing advances untested. Drilling test performance. Mechanical properties to Australian standard 3566.1 and corrosion resistance to Australian standard 3566.2 are all verified, so the specification on paper is the specification delivered on site. Washer assembly. Where the application calls for it, a sealing washer is fitted to keep water out at the fixing point once the screw is driven. Head painting. Heads are painted to match roof and cladding colors on site. A clean finish and one more layer of protection over the head. Packaging. Finally, the fasteners are packed in Corrosion cartons, inspected once more, and shipped to projects across more than 30 countries.